Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. This is my day 4 look. We have a smoky eye using two shades from the Melt Cosmetics stack. This is Dark Matter and Rubbish, literally just these two eyeshadows. If you want to know how I created this makeup look, then just go ahead and please keep watching. This is the one eye done. We're gonna do the next eye, and we're gonna use the shade Rubbish and put that all over the entire crease using a very fluffy brush. This pat on. So second layer. So I'm just gonna blend pretty much everywhere, pretty much in all my tutorials. A lot of this is blending pretty much. The more you blend, the more diffused everything will look together. I saw a tweet that Rocio did on Twitter, and because I follow her, she's like the cut crease queen. I learned how to do cut crease from her, to be completely honest with you. She posted a meme on like this girl who did a black smoky eye. I'm going with my third layer, by the way. And she was, the girl had said something like, talk to me when you use one shade to use as like a smoky eye or something. I don't know. And I was laughing because I'm like, I like using transition shades. But, you know, Twitter's freaking funny. It's just a whole nother side of Twitter, you know? We've been blending for about 3 minutes. My hand is hurting. Okay, another layer. I don't know what number this is. E25 from Sigma, and I have the Melt Cosmetics Dark Matter, which is this one right here. And I have some product on here from when I was blending on this side, and I'm just going to, like, whatever I have on here, just pat it all over and literally just start blending. And this is a whole process. We're just gonna blend, literally. And I'm looking down towards my mirror so I can see my entire lid space. I feel like it helps because, like, you can see, like, when you look up straight, you can see exactly where you're placing the shadow, you know? And when you look down, you can see, like, okay, I need to blend a little bit more higher or add more color. See, we're kind of getting that already smokiness. Okay, I'm actually gonna pick up some more color. So that much. And we're gonna just, again, just layer and blend, layer and blend. It's better when you put less on your brush, like, you know, it's better to add little by little instead of like grabbing a lot and it just slapping that on, because it's harder to blend away if you have a lot. I didn't prime this time with any eyeshadow base. I just grabbed my foundation brush and like literally put it all over my eyelid. The good thing about Melt eyeshadows is that they're easy to blend together, which is why I freaking love them. We're still blending, people. My hand is hurting. We're almost at 10 minutes. Wow. Another layer. Now I'm just gonna pat this right on the entire lid. Alright, sweet. I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Okay, have on the eyelash. going to use the color Blur on the brow bone right on here. I'm going to line the waterline and tightline. I'm gonna close my eyes. I just want brown because I feel like if you put black, at least for me, it just shrinks the eye a bit. And I already have a lot of like shadow, so it's gonna do brown instead. Turns out red on me, but that was the Columbia from Cosmetics. And then I'm using the Sigma Medium Sweeper E54 brush, and we're just going to basically do the same thing we did on the top. And connect this. The inner corner, I have two different colors that I have on here. This is a Dose of Colors Desi and Katy collab in Mirame and Fuego. I just mixed them together and just put it on the inner corner. At this point, if you want, go ahead and do highlighter. I want to. I really like a matte and highlighted look. So I'm going to use Fuego first. I'm just placing that first. And then we're going to go in with Mirame. See, it's a little bit too light for me. And this is a little bit more deeper, just slightly. I don't need more. We're going to use the Note Desert Rose Blush. I'm going to use Small Cosmetics On The Go. This is a really nice mauve color. So pretty. Gloss in Tiramisu. So that is the end of this Smokey Eye tutorial. Thank you, Michelle, for requesting that. This is my day 4 look again, and I will catch you in another video. Toodles!